everybody, how's it going? Since the last time I worked on this small tiny home, I did a lot of upgrades to it, and since then I named the small tiny home Casita de La Paz. Casita means small, home, and D is of, and La Paz, since I live in La Paz Valley, it means peace. Casita de La Paz. And I put a placard up, and I'll kind of show that probably someplace in this video. Today, what I'm going to work on is the porch. These stairs here, they have had their last days, and I'm going to try to build a porch. I never built a porch in my entire life. But anyway, let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this here. I'm going to remove this banister that was an old pipe. God knows how long it's been here, but I painted it black temporarily. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that banister and get this out the way. It was stripped in here, but not stripped, but they wasn't really going anywhere. But I'm going to take this screw out. These are old screws. Oh man, it should come right out. There you go. This here can go to the scrap. That's always that one screw is stubborn. A little perforation. There you go. I can fix that later. That's no big deal with this here. I can fix that. So that's one reason you got to kind of keep your eye on these different screws on old stuff, because you don't know what you're going to find like this here that's bent. So let's move on. I'm going to go with, instead of a 2x3, 2x4, 2x3, 2x4, I'm going to go with strictly 2x4s across the top. Wood here was actually rotten. This have a lot of different screws in here, different nails, and all kind of other stuff. So I'm not going to be using all these nails and screws anymore. So let's continue on with the demo. There we go. The way got it. Oops, there we go. Well, basically, that's all to it. I think it came out great. I had a lesson learned here. I had the screws kind of too tight, but that's okay. I kind of loosened them a little bit because when you're putting them on the stairs, they kind of angle a little bit. This way, by being on the stairs, you can kind of control it where it'll fit nice and flat. And then I use these bolts right here. They came with the kit, and I put those in. But I have to put a couple more bolts in because one of the holes here goes right between the 2x4s. So I have to do that on 4 of them, but that's a different day. But it still came out sturdy. It'll hold. It's great. I love it. But another project done. But anyway, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Hit the subscribe button below, and I'll bring you the tips, tricks, ideas to Casita de la Paz, the small tiny home, to the big rig, to the Jeep, to the side-by-side, whatever it takes to show you guys what you can do. Until then, take care of yourself, bet yourself. See you next time. Bye.